Imagine a place that stands in the middle of the desert, but the things that come out of there are changing the pace of the whole world. Yes, we are talking about Tesla's largest factory, Giga Texas. At first glance, it looks like just a big building, but you will be stunned to know what is going on inside. This factory is not an ordinary assembly plant. It is Elon Musk's dream which has become a reality. Not only cars are made here, the world's most advanced technology is born here. Everything from Tesla's Cybertruck to Model Y is made here, and that too so fast that a car is ready every 40 seconds. But this is just the beginning. Hundreds of robots are working 24/7 inside the factory without getting tired, without stopping. And the most amazing thing, this entire factory is running itself, managing itself. Elon Musk calls it the future of manufacturing, and when you see its satellite pictures, you understand why. Seeing this, it seems like a set of a science fiction movie, but this is reality. And every corner of it is telling the world that Tesla is no longer just a car company, but a storm coming in technology. So let's open the doors of this factory and know what is being made inside it that will change the face of the entire auto industry in the coming times. Before moving ahead in the video, subscribe to the channel so that you can get information about technology first. When we buy a car, we pay attention to its look, range, features, all these. But have you ever wondered where these cars are made? And how are they made? The view inside Tesla's Giga Texas factory is such that you will feel as if you are standing on the set of a Hollywood science fiction film. Here you see less humans and more machines, and that two machines that think on their own, work and keep running 24 hours a day without stopping. First of all, let's talk about the thing that is considered to be the biggest strength of this factory. The Giga Press machine. The name itself sounds like a superpower, and in fact, it is like that. This is one of the heaviest pressing machines in the world, which can exert a pressure of 10,000 tons. Imagine an elephant weighs about 5 tons, and this machine can exert the pressure of 2,000 elephants together. Its job is to make large parts of the car in one go, which makes the structure of the car strong and also takes less time to build. Earlier, dozens of parts and welding were required to make the frame of a car. Now the same work is done in just one press? Now let's come to A, eye and robotic arms. Inside the factory, you will see long mechanical hands. These are robotic arms that are fully programmed. They neither get tired nor make mistakes. And their speed is so fast that humans seem slow in front of them. Whether it is lifting apart, putting a joint, or painting, these robots do every work so cleanly and quickly that you will not believe it. And the special thing is that these machines also learn. That is, if a mistake is made once, then the next time it is corrected automatically. Here the work of humans is also very focused. They monitor these robots, analyze the data, and the work that needs to be done with superfine control is done by humans only. But day by day, the factory is reaching such a level that in the coming few years, the need for humans will be limited to just supervising. Now the most surprising thing, this factory runs 24/7. That is, whether it is day or night, Sunday or Monday, it never closes. There is neither a traditional shift system here, nor does the bell ring. The entire factory runs on sensors, software, and AI algorithms. If there is any problem in any machine, the system itself notices, sends an alert, and if needed, the backup machine starts. You can also call it a self-healing factory. Every part of this factory is connected to data, meaning every movement, condition of every part, every step, everything is being recorded. This keeps the quality of production high, and any defect is detected immediately. This is the reason why Tesla's vehicles have become so reliable today. There's another amazing thing inside this plant. A GV, automated guided vehicles. These are small robots that carry goods from one place to another. No human drives them. They recognize their paths, stop, turn, and also manage the traffic. To be honest, the Giga Texas factory has become a place where there is such a combination of technology and production that is rarely seen in today's era. Here, Elon Musk's dream seems to be coming true, in which making a car is not just a manual process, but has become the magic of complete automation. Looking at this factory, one thing seems certain: Tesla is no longer just making cars, but it is preparing a blueprint for the future industry. If you pass by the Colorado River in the city of Austin in the U.S. state of Texas, you will see a building that at first glance you will not be able to understand what it is. It looks like a long box-like structure, but when you come to know that this is Tesla's largest factory, you will be shocked. Its name is Giga Texas, and this factory is so big that about 15 football grounds can easily fit inside it. Yes, you read it right. 15. Tesla did not inaugurate this factory in any ordinary way. Elon Musk named it Cyber Rodeo, and its opening event was no less than a rock concert. LED lights, music, Cybertruck show, and a crowd of thousands. The eyes of the whole world were on this factory, and why not? When the world's most popular car company opens a new factory, and that too so huge, then headlines are bound to be made. But now the question is, why was such a big factory needed? Didn't Tesla already have factories? The answer is they did, but Elon Musk is not just making cars. He is building a thinking system. His thinking was to make car manufacturing a task that can scale just like a smartphone. Fast, accurate, and in large numbers. Elon Musk dreams that in the future, every person should have an electric car, and that too affordable, durable, and full of technology. But this dream could only be fulfilled if the company had such a large and fast production facility that it could make a car every few seconds. And from this thought, Giga Texas was born. The purpose of building this factory was not just to make cars, but to make it the world's fastest and smartest factory. And when we say fast, it means a Tesla Model Y being ready every 40 seconds. This is not a joke, but a reality. Working at such a fast speed is possible only when technology is made more capable than humans at every stage. Elon Musk has called it a machine that builds the machine. That is, a factory which itself is an example of super technology. He wanted that making a car should seem like a miracle, and Giga Texas is the foundation of that miracle. This factory has become a challenge not only for Tesla, but for the entire world's auto industry. While other companies are updating old factories, Tesla built a plant based on a new idea from the ground up. And this is the reason why Giga Texas is called the factory of the future today. So the next time you see a Tesla car, do not think that it is just an electric car. It is the product of a revolution, and it was born in that skyscraper factory built in the same Texas desert, which we call Giga Texas. 4,680 battery cells are being made here, and why is it a game changer? Now let's know which vehicles are being made in this Tesla factory and how 4,680 battery cells are made here. First of all, let's talk about Model Y. This is Tesla's best-selling SUV, and it was first made in Giga Texas. Its design is such that it is perfect for the family as well as for the young generation. In this factory, Model Y is made with the help of new technologies and big robots like Gigapress, which improves its build quality and also makes production super fast. Now let's come to the vehicle which the whole world was waiting for, Cybertruck. When Elon Musk showed it for the first time, everyone thought it was a truck seen in a movie. Its sharp body, bulletproof design, and extreme performance surprised people, and its first delivery was from Giga Texas. Not only this, a special line has been created for Cybertruck where its unique stainless steel body is processed with a different technology. Now let's talk about Tesla's commercial truck, Tesla Semi. This is a game changer for long-distance transport. It is also being prepared in Giga Texas through future material and AI-based manufacturing. This is going to bring an electric revolution in the logistics industry. And the biggest thing, Elon Musk's dream project, Tesla Model 2, is also ready to be made here. This will be Tesla's cheapest car, which can cost around $10,000 to $15,000. This car will target the mass market, and it's possible that it will make electric cars mainstream all over the world. But the real hero of all these vehicles is the 4,680 battery cell. This is not an ordinary battery, but Tesla's next-generation super powerful battery. It is being manufactured on a large scale in Giga Texas itself. Earlier batteries used in Tesla were made of small cells, but the size of the 4,680 cell is bigger. Its energy capacity is more, and it can give more power in fewer parts. The special thing about this battery is that it increases the range of the vehicles, meaning it can run for a longer distance after charging once. Second advantage, it charges faster, meaning you do not need to stop at the charging station for a long time. And third, its life is very long, meaning it works for years without any problem. Not only this, with the arrival of the 4,680 cell, the production cost of Tesla is also decreasing because it has less material, fewer parts, and more output. And this is the reason that in the coming time, Tesla's vehicles can also be cheaper than before. And this is a warning bell for other auto companies. Giga Texas is no longer just a factory, but has become a place where the vehicles of the future and the batteries of the future are being born together. And all this is happening in such an automated and high-tech manner that it seems as if we are talking about a robotic city which is constantly giving us glimpses of the coming tomorrow. Tesla's production capacity and its global impact. Imagine if a factory is so big that it can make more than 20 lakh cars every year. Then it becomes not just a plant, but a place that shakes up the entire industry. This is what Tesla's Giga Texas factory is doing. Production here is not just fast. Production here is at a different level. The target that Elon Musk has set for this factory is 2 million cars every year. That means 2 million people can get a new Tesla car every year, and that too with technology that is many years ahead of other companies. And this is not just a dream on paper. The speed of the factory, its size, and the AI technology installed inside it is turning it into reality. Now, this has not only affected Tesla's sales, but the auto industry of the whole world has lost its sleep. Companies that earlier thought that Tesla is only a car for the rich are now realizing that this company is going to cover the mass market as well, and that too at a fast pace. Companies like Ford, GM, Toyota, Volkswagen are now changing their EV plans. Many companies are trying to build factories like Tesla, but they have understood that the tech that Musk has is not just a car brand. It has become an innovation powerhouse. Elon Musk has shown the world through Giga Texas that he is not just a businessman. He is a person who draws the map of the future. He has redefined manufacturing. He told that making a car can also be fast and scalable like a software process. And this thinking has forced other companies to break their old system and think of something new. Now the question arises, will Giga Texas make Tesla the world's #1 car company? So the answer is yes. And maybe even more than that, because Tesla is not just making cars now, it is also trying its hand in batteries, robotics, AI, energy systems, and autonomous driving. And Giga Texas has become the command center of this entire mission. Tesla's cars no longer run on electricity instead of fuel, but they run on data. And this data is analyzed every second in the factory so that the cars can become even smarter. This is the reason why legacy brands like Ford and GM are now engaged in partnerships, subsidies, and changing strategies to compete with Tesla. But Musk is not one to stop. His next target is the most cars at the lowest price with the most advanced technology, and Giga Texas is the perfect base for that. From here, Tesla is making cars not only in America, but for the whole world, for Europe, Asia, and all the other big markets. Looking at Giga Texas, one thing becomes clear now. In the auto industry, there is a fight for technology leadership, not just brand, and Tesla is currently running ahead in this. In the future, when people see Tesla's affordable and high-tech cars on the road, they will not wonder where this car was made. They will say, this is the car of the next era. And that era is being created inside Giga Texas every day, every hour, every second. When we talk about a big factory, the first thing that comes to our mind is smoke, noise, and pollution. But Tesla's Giga Texas factory leaves all these things behind because this factory does not just make cars. It shows a new way of how a big industry can work in harmony with nature. Elon Musk has always dreamed that not only the vehicles should be electric, but the way they are being made should also be sustainable. Therefore, while designing Giga Texas, it was kept in mind from the beginning that this plant should work on zero carbon emission, meaning as little pollution as possible, and as much greenery and energy saving as possible. The solar panels installed on the roof here help power the entire plant. Imagine such a big building that is making its own electricity. Not just electricity, a water recycling system has also been installed here, due to which the wastage of water is almost negligible, and green space has been kept all around the factory so that the surrounding air and land also remain in balance. Tesla's mission is sustainable future, and Giga Texas is a living example of that mission. It shows that technology and environment are not enemies of each other. If there is the right thinking, then both can go together. Now let's talk about the big challenges faced in building this factory. First of all, the choice of land. Elon Musk wanted a location that was central in terms of logistics. There was no problem of little electricity and water, and where the surrounding policy supported the EV industry. Austin, Texas was perfect in this regard, but getting land there and getting approval from the government was not an easy task. Then came the most difficult time, the period of COVID when the whole world was shut down, people were at home, the supply chain had stopped. Even then, the construction of Giga Texas did not stop. Elon Musk clearly said, "We are not stopping." They created safety zones for workers, divided work into shifts, and kept the work going using technology. To be honest, Giga Texas is not just a building. It is a message to the world that when the intention is big, no challenge seems big. Here, not only the cars of the future are being made, but a system is being built that also takes care of the health of the Earth. Giga Texas, where not only cars but robots are also being born. So far, we have seen Giga Texas as a high-tech car factory, but the truth is that this place is no longer just making cars. The life of the future is being prepared here. And the biggest example of this is Tesla Optimus. Optimus is not an ordinary machine. It is a humanoid robot that looks like humans, and is gradually learning human-like tasks. Its trials going on in Giga Texas itself, and the tech team here is engaged day and night on the mission of how to make this robot so smart that it can help in factory work, and in future it can also be used in homes and offices. Elon Musk clearly says this is just the beginning. He wants Optimus to become a partner that helps humans, handles boring or risky tasks on its own, and gradually becomes a part of everyday life. Giga Texas is no longer just a factory that makes cars. It has become a future lab. There are sensors in every corner. Every machine is sending data, and AI-based software is making things smarter every moment. The technology being used here is now gradually moved from cars to robots. Tesla engineers are training Optimus in such a way that it can walk on its own, maintain balance, pick up things, talk to machines, and even understand what to do on its own. Just think. The work that humans do in factories today, such as picking up things, putting screws, pressing buttons. In the future, Optimus robot will do the same work. And the special thing is that it will not be just a machine, but a thinking system that will be able to take decisions on its own. Musk believes that AI and robotics are going to become the biggest need of the world in the coming times. And Tesla is making and testing all these things practically, not in some distant lab, but in a factory like Giga Texas. This is the reason why the rest of the world's tech companies, be it Apple, Google, or Amazon, are now looking towards Tesla. Because Musk is not just making products. He is creating an artificial intelligence ecosystem. In the future, when cars will drive themselves, there will be robots in homes, and factories will run even without humans. Then people will say that its seed was sown in Giga Texas. Now the question is, will these robots be limited to factories only? The answer is absolutely not. Elon Musk dreams that every home should have an Optimus. Just like today everyone has a smartphone, in the future everyone should have a smart robot that makes your work easier. And this is not a very far-fetched dream. Work has started on the first generation model of Optimus. Trials are going on, and as it becomes smarter, its price will also decrease, just like it happened with mobile phones. So the next time someone asks you what Tesla's Giga Texas factory makes, don't just say it makes cars, and say it makes the future. If you like this video, give a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. And would you like to see a Tesla robot in your home? And what topic do you want the next video to be on? See you in the next episode. Until then, stay connected with tech and the future.